In this video, we will be looking at factorization by grouping. Before we can go ahead and factorize the expression that's on the screen, we first have to verify if the grouping technique is applicable here. To do so, we find the ratio of the coefficient for the first two terms and the ratio of the coefficients for the second two terms. And if they are equal, then we can go ahead and factorize by grouping. So 9 divided by 6, 9 over 6. When this is broken down, 3 into 6 2 times, 3 into 9 goes 3 times. So that's 3 over 2. Then 6 divided by 4. We break down this fraction, 2 into 4, 2 times, 2 into 6, 3 times. So both, it's 3 over 2, the ratio of the coefficients, they are equal. We can go ahead and factorize by grouping. To factorize by grouping, we first have to find the HCF, that's the highest common factor, or the GCF, it's the same thing, greatest common factor for the first two terms. So the HCF of 6x squared and 9x, that would be what? 3x. You write it down, open our bracket, then 6x squared divided by 3x, that gives us what? 2x. Then we go ahead and we divide our 9x by 3x, and that gives us what? 3, a positive 3, close bracket. Then we do the same for the last two terms. The HCF here, so the HCF for 4x and 6, that would be 2, open our bracket, 4x divided by 2, that's 2x, positive 6 divided by 2, that's positive 3, close our brackets. We have 2x plus 3 twice, we only need to write it down once, so 2x plus 3, close bracket, then or 3x that's what, positive 2 plus 2, and that would be our answer when we factorize by grouping. If you wanted to know if the answer is correct, simply multiply these factors, and if we get back the original algebraic expression that we were asked to factorize, then we know that our answer is indeed correct. Let's move on to another one. So 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3. Remember to check to see if we can use the grouping technique. Find the ratio of the coefficients. So 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, and that's what, 3, and or 3 divided by 1, that's equal to 3 as well. So when the ratio of coefficients are equal, we can go ahead and factorize by grouping. So what's the HCF for 2x squared and 6x? That would be 2x. Then 2x squared divided by 2x, we're left back with x. Positive 6x divided by 2x, that is positive 3. Close our bracket. The HCF here would be 1. So our 1x divided by 1, that's x. And 3 divided by 1, positive 3 divided by 1, that's positive 3, close bracket. We have x plus 3 twice, we only need to write it down once, so that's x plus 3, close bracket. Then our 2x plus 1 is it's a positive 1, 2x plus 1, and that would be the answer. What if you were given 3 terms and you were told to factorize by grouping? Do you think you'd be able to? Let's look at this example and check it out. So 6x squared plus 9x plus 3. When you're factorizing by grouping, you need 4 terms. This is only 3. So what are we going to do? First, we have to multiply our 6 times our 3, and that's what? 6 3s, 18. So we need 2 numbers that when we multiply, we get 18, but when we add those 2 numbers, we get 9. And that would be 3 and 6. Right? So we're going to break the 9x into 2 terms. So 6x squared plus 3x, well, we got it over here, plus 6x plus 3. Now that we have 4 terms, we can go ahead and factorize by grouping. So what is the HCF of 6x squared plus 3x? That is 3x. 6x squared divided by 3x, that is what? 2x. 3x divided by 3x, that's plus 1. Close our bracket. What's the HCF of 6x and 3? That is 3. 6x divided by 3, that is 2x. Positive 3 divided by 3, that's positive 1. We have 2x plus 1 twice, so you only need to write it back down once, so 2x plus 1, close our bracket, then our 3x plus 3. And this is our answer. Let's try another one. But I want you guys to pause the video, try and work it for yourself, and then you come back to the video to verify if your answer is correct. So x squared minus x minus 12. Pause the video, then you come back. So this algebraic expression has 3 terms and we need 4 terms in order to factorize by grouping. 1 times negative 12, that's negative 12. We need 2 numbers that when we multiply we get negative 12, but when we add them we get negative 1. That would be 3 and negative 4. So now we can change our negative x into 2 terms. So x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. We have 4 terms. We can go ahead and factorize by grouping. So what's the HCF for x squared and 3x? or HCF would be x. X squared divided by x, we're left back with x. Positive 3x divided by x, that's positive 3. Close bracket. What is the HCF for negative 4x and negative 12? That is what? Negative 4. Negative 4x divided by negative 4, that would be x. And negative 12 divided by negative 4, that is positive 3. Close bracket. We have x plus 3 twice. We don't need it twice. So write our x plus 3, then our x minus 4. So this is the end of the video. This is how we factorize by grouping when we have 4 terms or 3 terms.